So did you all keep the biscuit powder into the bowl? So, okay, Dhriti is doing that. Very good. After putting the powder, take this nuts powder, cashew nuts and almonds. Okay. And you can take 3 or 4 spoons and put into that biscuit powder. The nuts powder. Take. If you want more nuts, you can put the whole powder. Or else you can keep 3 to 4 spoons. Okay. So after the nuts powder, you have brought this cocoa powder or boost powder, right? Bonvita powder. So you can add that powder, 2 spoons of that powder. 1, 2. Okay. Only add 2 or 3 spoons. That's all. Okay. So after adding these powders, mix well. After mixing the powder, so did you all get milk? Yes? See that? Don't pour more milk. It will become like liquid. Pour little milk and mix well.
Ma'am, I have milk.
What, Parthiv?
Ma'am, I have milkmaid.
You have milkmaid. Okay, it is also fine, Parthiv. Pour little milk and mix. Make it like a dough. You can mix it with your hand. You all mix? Okay, we will wait for others also. Let them mix.
I also made board.
Laddus. Nice small laddus. And you can put them in a plate. What, Devipya? You are already tasting it?
I ate one big piece. It was super.
It was super. Okay.
Ma'am, it's tasty.
It's tasty. Wow.
Ma'am, it tastes like a cake.
Oh, it's tasting like a cake. Wow. I've dipped my ball in sugar. Can you all see? You can take a little quantity of jam. Okay? You can take little jam and you can put over your laddu. 9 laddus.
Ma'am, my I do 10 laddus. I have 10 laddus.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
All of you hold your laddus.
I do 6 laddus.
Very good. Even I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.